Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix interactions not working in Webflow in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to understand why it seems broken and why this happens in the first place. So Webflow has two interaction systems. There's the classic interaction and the interaction with GSAP, which is the newer engine. So both can coexist, but mixing them or using unsupported scenarios often leads to broken animations or trigger not firing. So let me show you what those looks like. So this is the new engine, and the other one is simply this. By going to legacy editor, sometimes you would like to go and edit with the old school way. So when you add elements and edit to the old school way, this will lead you to actually basically have some misconfusion between the old way and new way, and some of the actual tools in the old way doesn't really work with the newest engine. So with that, some interaction are not going to be working perfectly and flawlessly. So what I would suggest you guys is that first of all, try to choose a way, pick a method. When you try to create a website on Webflow, pick a method. Do not switch between the legacy and the new engine way. Try to pick only one method. If you want to go simple, go with the legacy way and stick to it. If you want to go like new modern way, etc., go with the newest way, which is the GSAP, and stick with it. The second thing is it might be not really um a design issue or a method issue. It's simply a device issue. Try to check your browser. Sometimes the browser itself has issues, so try to delete the cookies and update the browser. Go here, delete them, and reopen the site. This should fix a lot of issues, and try to open it by another device and check if the issue still remains. If that's still an issue for you, then try to talk with the community. There is forum for Webflow site that you can talk with the whole community, and they are very active. Try to communicate there, and they should give you the solution. And yeah, that was it today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.